To send birthday emails using Pabbly Connect, the first thing is click the Create Workflow button and then type your preferred workflow name. Then click Create. On the next page, choose the app where the person's birthday celebrant information is saved. For example, Google Sheets. And then choose this as the trigger event. Next is just follow the instructions on the screen to connect your Google Sheets to Pabbly. Then click the Add button. Next is choose the app that you prefer to send the email, for example, Gmail. And then for the action event, choose Send Email. Click Connect. And then choose Select Existing Connection or Add New Connection to connect your Gmail to Pabbly. Then click Save. Next is just follow the instructions on the screen and put in the required information with the subject Happy Birthday. All right, now you know how to send birthday emails using Public Connect and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.